Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to predict halftime full-time. When you look at halftime full-time market, it has 9 different options. One is home over home, two is home over draw, three is home draw over home, then four is draw over draw, five is away over away draw over away. Then you have home over away, then you also have away over home option. So but in this particular video I'm focusing on home over home. So this video will be in 9 series, meaning I will do this video in 9 separate this particular halftime full time in 9 different videos. Okay, if you are new to this channel, click the like button. If you are been here before, like this video. It's very important for you to like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to many people. I want many people to watch this video and get all this value. In this channel we do tutorial video on how to predict football matches and how to we also do videos on daily prediction, meaning we predict football matches every day in this channel from 2 hours to 5 hours. We also have a VIP platform where we give out 10 to 20 hours daily. Then during weekends we give 50 to 200 odds. Okay guys, um let's get started. I'll give you an example with today's game. So if you are watching this video today being June 13, 2023, you have the opportunity to also benefit because I'll give you an example with today game. That means you can go and play today games and hopefully you will win. Okay, let's get started. The site we are going to use today is called flashcore.com, or you can use the mobile site, which is flashcore.mobi. Okay, grab your jotter and biro pen because there's a lot you need to write down. Okay, our number one example we're going to use today is a game in Italy Serie C where they are playing promotion playoff, a game between Foggia versus Lecco, and the prediction here is of home over home, meaning Foggia will win at halftime and win the match at full time. Okay, the tip is this: whenever you see a odd of 1.81, 1.82 to 1.99 odd home team, then you see the draw being maybe 3.5 something to 3.6. Then you see the away team, they give away team 4 odds plus, maybe 4 odds or 4.7 something or 4 point something. Know that the game will end in a home over home, meaning the home team will win at first half and also win the match at full time. The likely score is normally 2-0 win, or maximum a 1-0 or 3-0 or 3-1, but they will win at first half and also win the match at the end of the day. So we are using this number one game here being Foggia versus Lecco in Italy Serie C as an example number one. So let's go to bookie and book the game. I'm using a Sportybet. I'm not promoting Sporty. They are not paying me for anything. I'm just using it to stake my game and also use for this video. They are not paying me for anything. So I'll go to the halftime full-time market and select the option, which is home over home, being home team will win at halftime and win the match, being Foggia. Okay, let's go to example number 2. The number 2 example we have is in Ecuador Premier B, or Ecuador Serie B, where Vargas Torres is taking on Coniburo, and our prediction is home over home. I've said it before, when you see a odd of 1.81 to 1.99, then the draw being 3 point something, then away have a odd of 4 point something. Know that the home team will win at halftime and win the match at the end. So let's go and book the game. That's Ecuador Serie B. Ecuador Serie B. Oh, they don't have that option. But let's check if they have halftime. They didn't give them the option of halftime, full time, even halftime market. They didn't give them. So let's just take them home win at full time. Let's go and check example number 3. Example number 3 is in Mali. As Mali, okay. In Mali, you see there's a game in Mali Premier Division where State Malien is taking on Black Stars, which is this game here. Let me put on my marker so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, this game here, you can see the odd is one. The home team has 1.84. The draw is 3 or then they give their away team 4.92. So in this particular um, game, the home team will win at full time and also win the match. Let's see if my bookie, what I mean bookie is sport. The Americans call it sport book, or the UK's call it bookmakers. Then here in Nigeria we call it bookie. So I don't know, whatever name you decide to give you where you play your bet is up to you. Okay, guys. Moving on. Let's see if they have games in Mali in my bookie. No, they don't have any Mali. They don't have any team in Mali. They don't uh, choose Mali. But if your bookie has this game, you can select it. If you are watching this video today, being June 13, 2023. Okay, I'm just using this today's game to give you, to show you example on how this thing works. So in subsequent time, when the new season resumes, there will be a lot of games, and with this formula or this number, so you have the opportunity to win more. Okay, guys, as I said earlier, in this channel we give 5 to 20 us on daily basis on a VIP platform. So if you are interested, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment area. Please like this video, is very, very important. And also we have a Telegram channel where our fans or subscribers interact with each other. So if you are interested in joining that group, go to the comment section. I would also drop the link, the Telegram group link there. So go and join. You enjoy yourself. Okay, guys. Moving on. Let's see how many are we. Let's see. So we have gathered a total of 5.36 odds. 5.36 odds in this particular game. Though the Ecuador game, they didn't have the option, and Mali, they don't have the option in Mali. Now you have the strategy already, the number. So write those numbers down. I've said it. When you see a home team they give a home team a odd of 1.81 to 1.99, and you see the draw, they give the draw 3 odds to 3.6 odds. And then you see away team, they give the away team 4 odds to and 9 odd. Know that the home team will win the game at halftime and also win the game at full time, meaning they will play home over home, halftime, full time. Another tips again in this particular formula or this number is that when you see this number, you know that the home team will win at halftime. That means you have another additional tips in this, knowing how to predict halftime result in home team. Okay. In our next video, I will focus on how to predict um, X over 1, meaning draw over home. That one mostly carries a big call like 4 point something to 7 or depending on the team that are playing. Okay. Um, Also in this channel, we have done tutorial video on how to predict full-time draw, how to predict half-time draw, how to predict over 1.5, how to predict straight win in football. So go to this channel and watch those tutorial video. It will be of help to you. If you find this video interesting, hit the like button, share with your friends so that they will also benefit from these tutorials. Thank you for staying tuned. Always remember, bet responsibly. My name is Samuel. Okay, let me give you the booking code for this particular. That's the booking code for Sporty Abed. If you are not in Nigeria, change it to um, Nigeria before you install the booking code. The booking code is 2F26A3CH. Thank you. See you in our next video.